Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We just purchased this 1958 Impala convertible from the estate of a gentleman who has owned it for 33 years. This car was restored back in 1987. I have a stack of paperwork. It was a professional restoration company that did the car. It was then judged at the Chevy Vet Fest and it won a gold spinner. It was 33 years ago, but they had the mileage written down and they've only put about 1,500 miles on it since then. Still overall in very nice condition. If you go to volocars.com, you can look at all the pictures, read my full description, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down, let's go for a spin in this 58 Impala. How often do you see a 58 Impala? 1 year only design. I bump into them here and there, but not that often. And I will say, considering it's black and considering this car was painted 33 years ago, I think it's holding up really well. Just standing next to it, looking at it, it's straight, it fits nice, the paint has a deep mirror reflection, the chrome shines. Now with that said, it's not pristine, but it just shows really well still. Has a rear antenna here, that's an accessory. The tail lights, the bumpers, all of this looks really nice, but it's not new. There's little tiny freckles or a little scuff or a mark on the trim, but very nice. The stainless moldings are exceptional. I want to say the stainless is practically brand new looking. And it has the rocker trim. I think that was an option. It's got the stock hubcaps. The tires, there is some crackling in the white walls. You may want to replace them. I'm sure they're probably 30 plus years old. Really straight. Looks like I can reach right into it. Beautiful. Yes, all smooth, nice, clean metal. The gaps are really nice. The trim up here, again, shiny, not pristine, probably 7 out of 10. It's all very good. Again, gaps are real nice. The spears are real good. And all the trim up here, shiny. This piece right here is a little bit duller than the rest. There's some minor imperfections in the chrome, but overall, it fits really nice. It shines, it's bright. It's definitely adequate. You don't need to go replacing chrome on this car. Here's a sticker from 1995. There's some faint wiper marks, just real minor ones right here. This door, it's going to leave here and go to the restoration shop next door. They must have put a half a door skin on. There's a line showing right here. It's popping through, so I'm going to have the shop do from the trim down. That'll be gone. Door handles, like I said, everything else looks really nice. Convertible top, we just put a brand new pump in there. It works nice. It's a white top. The top frame has been prepped, painted gloss black. It has the correct cloth wrapped weather strips on here. The boot is in the trunk. The photographer just told me he had a hard time. It was really tight. It's an old boot, so we can try it. We'll put it out in the sun, we'll warm it up, or I guess someone can buy a new boot for it. Not a big deal. The interior is the correct tricolor interior. It's obviously black with the black, turquoise, and silver inserts. It has the correct door panels. It has anodized blue trim, not painted blue or spray can blue, but it's actually anodized trim. So it's 3-color door panels. In the receipts, the motor was completely rebuilt. It's a 283 motor. It has the 4-barrel. Completely stock. The air cleaner, the valve covers, the heat riser tube, the exhaust manifolds, all of it's stock. It runs really nice. You just touch the key and it fires up and runs smooth. It has factory power steering. The hoses look new. And then it has a new upgraded power brake system. The booster and the dual reservoir master is new. Otherwise, the shroud, the firewall, the heater blower, all that looks real nice. Interior is a lot like the exterior. It looks really good. The dash, the metal's painted real nice. All the trim is nice and shiny. The lenses are clear. With that said, none of it's perfect, but it's all very good. In here is the original power brake booster unit. If anyone ever wanted it, it's probably worth something. Has a spare, has the jack, has a nice rubber mat. Here's the boot I was talking about. Comes with a car cover. Weather stripping is still good. Lights work under the dash. The kick panels are nice. The steering wheel's nice. It comes with the owner's manual. And this is the receipts I was talking about. It was a professional company. There's pages and pages of itemized work that they did on the car. It was a full restoration 33 years ago. Then in 1987, it was judged at the Chevy Vet Fest, and it won a gold spinner. The judging sheets are in here. And the mileage, it says right here, after restoration on 5/18 of 88, it was 95,316. Right now there's 96,775 miles on it. Glass pack mufflers, I forgot to talk about the underneath. The front end has been rebuilt. You can see a lot of fresh components, the shocks, ball joints, all that looks pretty new. It's got glass pack mufflers under there. Bottom of the hood's undercoated. The bottom of the car is undercoated. Looks like they did make some repairs. Some new floor pan sections in that. That hood fits nice and shuts real nice, and so do the doors on this car. They shut really well. Everything fits really well. It's shut nice and easy too, and look how nice it fits. I like that. Has a retro stereo in here. I see it's missing the knobs. We have knobs. We'll put some on. So there you have it, a nice old 58 Chevy Impala convertible. Great cruiser. Shuts so nice. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. I gave you my impression of the car. If you want detailed information, specific questions, feel free to ask the salespeople. They'll help with the car, with the whole process, the shipping, the financing. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.